Yes, welcome students. This week we are going to revise the same topic, how to draw the angles using the protractor that we have done in the last class. Clear? So children, I know that you must remember today I am going to construct 60 degree. Clear? So what is our first step? I told you to draw a line segment and then draw dots both the sides. So this side left and this is right, which I already told you. This is which side? Left hand. This is what? Right hand. So you can write. I told you left down, right up. I am going to make this angle on the left side. Yes, I told you to keep this point on the dot which you have already drawn. Okay, and the line should be straight. And children, again left side we are going to construct the angle. Okay, we are going to make this angle on the left side. So left down, which angles we have to see? Down one. Where is down one? 60. You can see 60 is here also and 60 is here also. But which one 60 we have to take on the left side? Down one. So put a dot over here. Okay, and then after you can remove the protractor and this dot you can join. Clear? So this angle is 60 degree. Yes students, now 40 degree I am going to construct it on right side now. Clear? So same thing, which first step is to draw a line segment, then put dots on both the sides, then you write left and then right. I am going to make it on the right side. Okay, keep this point of intersection over here and line should overlap the line which you have, line segment which you have drawn. Now right side which angles you have to see? Left down, right up. Where is upper one? 40. 40 is here also and 40 is here also. But which 40 we have to take? We have to take upper one 40. So put a dot here in front of 40. Now you can remove your protractor and this dot you can join. Clear? So this angle you can mark. This is 40 degree. Yes, next angle is 160. I am going to draw it on the left side. So same way, this point of intersection will keep on the dot, clear, and overlap the line. Now left down, which angle we have to see now? Down one. Where is down one? 160. So 160 is here also, but this is upper one I am not going to take, and 160 is here also. Clear? So I will mark a point over here in front of 160. Clear? Now you can remove your protractor and join this point of intersection. Sorry, this dot with this dot you can join. That is 160 degree. Yes, for 110 students, I have drawn the line segment. Mark here left and then right. Now I am going to draw it on the right side. Right sides, which angle we have to see? Upper one. So 110 is here also. 110 is here also. But which 110 will take? We'll take upper one. Put a dot in front of 110. You can remove the protractor and join both the dots. So this angle is 110 degree. Children, I am explaining on both the sides how to draw on both the sides. It's your wish. Anywhere you can draw the angle. If you want to draw on the left side, you can draw on left. If you want to do on the right side, you can draw on right. So it is your wish. Next angle is 125 degree that I am going to draw on left side. So keep the dot over here and the line should overlap. 125 left down. Which angles we have to see now? Down one. 120 is here also. So as I told you, first you have to see 125 degree lies between 120 and 130. Clear? Now that means we have to move from this side to this side. This line is of 60 and 120. Clear? So this is of 120. I need to draw 125 degrees. So see children, this is 120, 121, 122, 123, 124 and this line is 125. So put a dot in front of 125. So before drawing it, you have to be very careful. First you have to see it is lying between 125 is lying between 120 and 130, and which way you have to move. Clear? Most of the children, they are moving this way. Clear? So Now you can remove your protector and you can join these dots. Clear? And it is compulsory to mark here that this angle is 125 degree. Next is 65 degree. I am going to draw it on the right side, children. So keep the protector like this. Now right up. Which angles we have to see? Upper one. Now 65 will lie between 60 and 70. That means I need to move in this way. Clear? This is 60, this is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So mark it over here and then you can remove the protector and join the dots. Clear? This is 65 degree. Students, so today also we have drawn so many angles. Now let us discuss. What kind of angle is this? 60 degree. This is acute. Acute angle is the angle whose measure lies between 0 to 90. This is acute angle. Come to this angle. Which angle? 40 degree, again between 0 to 90. Acute angle. This is which kind of angle? 160. It is 90 to 180, lying between 90 to 180, obtuse. Clear? It will be outside. Again 90 to 180. This is which kind of angle? Obtuse angle. This is which kind of angle? Obtuse angle. Again it is lying between 90 to 180. Now come to this angle, lying between 0 to 90. So this is acute angle. Now 180 degree, which kind of angle, students? That is a straight angle. Clear? That already we discussed. Look here. Yes, right angle. You know that its measure is 90 degree. It is this kind of angle. Acute angle is between 0 to 90. I already told you that this is acute angle. Obtuse angle whose measure is between 90 to 180, that are called obtuse angles. Straight angle is a straight line angle whose measure is 180 degree. Yes, students, note down test of this week. First question, draw these angles using protector. 90 degree, 95 degree, 105 degree, 55 degree, 35 degree and 25 degree. Second question, convert 26 centimeter 7 millimeter. First you have to convert to centimeter, then you have to convert it to millimeter. Third question, construct line segments. First is 8 centimeter 5 millimeter, 10.9 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, 8.7 centimeter. So students, do the test carefully and sincerely. Thank you.